In the end, are these robots really helping us or just creating more problems? Would you actually dare to use a toilet cleaned in this way? In China, humanoid robots are becoming increasingly common, yet they've never truly convinced users. Rather than focusing on practical applications, they seem more intent on showing off how quickly they can boot up and operate, while neglecting the most important factor: delivering real value to people. What has impressed us the most so far is that Zerith Robotics is actively accelerating the proof of its business value in public restrooms and a few retail locations. But looking at these images, we're sure you'll agree with us. They're downright crazy. Is this really a breakthrough, or just an expensive joke? The frustration hits its peak when we look at how Tesla's humanoid robots handle household chores. They actually cook, clean the house, go grocery shopping, and even bathe pets. They do everything neatly and efficiently, not a single drop of water wasted on the floor. So, which crazy features of the Tesla Bot Gen 5 are still under wraps? And will Elon Musk give it to us for free, or keep it as paid robots on the market? Welcome to the Tesla car world. Elon Musk and Tesla have once again captured the world's attention with the unveiling of Tesla Optimus Gen 5, the company's latest humanoid robot. With billions of dollars invested and years of research behind it, Musk believes that within the next 3 years, people will be scrambling to own these robots, because the Optimus Gen 5 is designed to handle almost every useful task around the home. Need a robot to make breakfast or prepare dinner? Optimus Gen 5 can take care of it. Want the house cleaned, floors mopped, or the bathroom sanitized? No problem. Even if you have pets that need washing and grooming, Optimus Gen 5 is ready for the job. Gen 5 has been trained to do all of this. Or maybe you want a robot that can run daily errands and grocery shopping. That's almost too easy for Optimus. But whereas Tesla's Optimus used to have only one serious competitor, the humanoid robot figure AI, things have changed. Elon Musk may now need to be far more cautious, as the number of humanoid robots equipped with advanced technology is rising rapidly. Every month, sometimes even every week, a new humanoid robot is announced. Recently, Zerith Robotics has emerged as a formidable contender in the cleaning robot market, showcasing its robots cleaning public restrooms and selecting groceries according to store menus in China. While these are still research demo prototypes, operating on pre-programmed routines and not yet in real-world use, Zerith's focus on the niche market of cleaning robots is steadily positioning it as one of Tesla's newest competitors. That's right, Chinese robots are earning a lot of praise as their technology is on par with any leading country, and their prices are often more affordable. However, Elon Musk has declared that the Tesla Optimus Gen 5 will ultimately outperform all competitors, including Figure AI, Xpeng, Iron, and emerging companies like Zerith Robotics, Agibot, and even Galbot and Engine AI, which have never posed a real challenge. Optimus can cook, clean, handle household chores, provide medical support, and assist in rescue operations, all integrated into a single humanoid robot, something no one else can match. In recent Tesla update videos, Optimus has been shown performing a variety of basic household tasks, from watering plants and carrying packages to cleaning the kitchen and moving items from the car trunk into the house. Tesla positions Optimus not just as a machine, but as a companion, designed to safely assist with a wide range of household duties, from childcare to elder care. Currently, Optimus also has the ability to engage in natural conversation, provide companionship for the elderly, and answer questions from children. These features demonstrate that the robot is not just a mindless machine, but has the potential to integrate into everyday life. Beyond people's curiosity about the sheer number of tasks Optimus can perform, much of the attention focuses on safety, while the robot carries them out. For example, a common question is how Optimus can keep its hands clean while performing multiple tasks in succession, like taking out the trash and then making a sandwich. Humans can wash their hands, but can a robot do the same? This question is difficult to answer for anyone who isn't a Tesla engineer. What is known, however, is that Optimus features a specialized hand, regarded as one of the best robotic hands in the world. It's not just about the number of degrees of freedom. The Optimus hand has 22 compared with 27 in a human hand, but more importantly, how Tesla designed it. Musk has explained that these hands operate using a tendon system similar to a human hand, with fewer moving parts, reducing the risk of water damage. The material of the robot's hand is easy to clean with soap and water, and may even have natural antibacterial properties. The Optimus hand is said to account for nearly half of the engineering effort in the entire robot design, highlighting its critical role in real-world operation. A humanoid robot wouldn't be truly useful if users had to program every single action. That means owning an Optimus doesn't require training the robot from scratch, a process that would otherwise take a huge amount of time. Thanks to advanced AI models, Optimus can learn through observation. When shown enough examples, the robot can perform tasks it hasn't been explicitly instructed to do. According to Elon Musk's vision, users only need to provide simple instructions, show demonstration videos, or clearly state their requirements, and Optimus will figure out how to carry out the task. Tesla emphasizes that Optimus can also interpret human body language. The robot can understand intent through gestures, such as pointing or signaling, optimizing interaction without the need for verbal communication. This is especially useful for people who have difficulty speaking. They can simply signal, and the robot will respond accordingly. In recent years, thanks to breakthroughs in AI, the capabilities of humanoid robots have advanced dramatically. Creative AI has become the key to enabling robots to perform complex tasks, bridging the gap between artificial intelligence and the real world. Optimus's AI can be likened to ChatGPT. It can guide you on how to cook a meal, but it can't step into the kitchen and do it itself. With Optimus, that changes entirely. The robot can directly carry out household tasks, from cooking to cleaning, freeing humans from mundane, repetitive chores. The most important difference between the Tesla bot and other humanoid robots lies in its brain, the artificial intelligence controlling the robot. Tesla is one of the leading companies in practical AI, having successfully built a brain capable of controlling autonomous Tesla vehicles, and now applying that technology to a walking robot. Elon Musk has emphasized that Tesla leads in applied AI, with the ability to bring technology into the real world in ways few other companies can match. Thanks to neural network systems and full self-driving capabilities, transferring technology from autonomous vehicles to humanoid robots makes perfect sense. Optimus is designed to be user-friendly, capable of navigating environments built for humans, and performing dangerous or repetitive tasks efficiently. To develop the most advanced AI, Tesla collaborates with leading tech companies like Microsoft, NVIDIA, and Google. These corporations possess resources that even governments can struggle to match, particularly in hardware and supercomputing. NVIDIA has become a strategic partner, providing chips for Tesla's supercomputing systems. Thanks to this, Musk believes Tesla's robot brain surpasses that of any competitor. Those who want to own an Optimus at home will have to wait until 2026, when Tesla plans to begin mass production. The initial price is estimated to range between $20,000 and $30,000, depending on the model. Musk also noted that while this price may seem high, costs are expected to decrease over time, making the robot more accessible to a wider range of consumers. In the latest updates, Optimus has demonstrated the ability to perform household tasks with flexibility. The robot can water plants, carry items from the car into the house, clean the kitchen, and move heavy objects. Its natural conversation skills make it a true companion, especially for the elderly and children. Optimus doesn't just follow rigid programmed instructions. It can observe and learn from its environment, allowing it to carry out tasks it hasn't been explicitly taught. The Optimus robot hand is designed to be water-resistant, easy to clean, and antimicrobial, allowing the robot to handle food-related tasks or household chores without safety risks. The importance of the hand in the Optimus design is enormous. It accounts for half of the robot's overall engineering effort, underscoring its essential role in turning the robot into a truly capable assistant. Another standout feature of Optimus is its ability to understand human intention through body language. The robot can interpret gestures, hand directions, and physical signals to carry out commands, which is especially convenient for people who struggle with verbal communication. Combined with generative AI, Optimus can learn new tasks from demonstration videos instead of requiring each action to be manually programmed. Advances in AI and machine intelligence allow Optimus to become a truly useful humanoid robot, one that can free humans from dangerous, tedious, and repetitive work. Powered by the same strong AI foundation behind Tesla's self-driving cars, this robot can navigate real-world environments and bring technology from theory into practice, setting it apart from every other humanoid robot on the market today. Why is Elon Musk determined to launch the Tesla bot Gen 5? Will robots really take away human jobs? This is no longer just a theoretical question, especially in today's world. Just a few weeks ago, Elon Musk posted on X, "AI and robots will replace all jobs. People will work out of personal interest like growing their own vegetables instead of buying them at the store." That statement alone is enough to make people feel both excited and uneasy at the same time. Recently, we've witnessed a wave of new humanoid robots emerging from China, the United States, and Europe. Most of them are still rough around the edges, moving awkwardly, looking bulky, and sometimes even so unintentionally funny that it's hard not to laugh. But the Tesla bot is different. This is the robot everyone is genuinely paying attention to because it may be one of the most well-balanced humanoid robots ever built, both in design and in real-world functionality. We're not saying it's the best robot in the world, but ever since the Tesla shareholder meeting, Optimus has undeniably become the most talked-about product. Musk has never hidden his ambition. He makes bold claims about Optimus, insisting it could become one of the greatest breakthroughs in human history. According to him, each robot can work continuously, without fatigue, without breaks, and ultimately create a level of prosperity where people no longer have to work just to survive. Tesla plans to manufacture these robots at massive scale, potentially making them even more common than smartphones. However, AI and humanoid robots aren't just an economic issue. Tesla won't be the only company in this game. Even if Tesla takes the lead, many other companies will eventually start producing humanoid robots as well. Essentially, Musk believes that the only way to create real prosperity for humanity is through AI and robotics. Although Elon hasn't detailed exactly how the Tesla bot will generate income for users, he emphasizes that Optimus has the potential to make people wealthier by performing useful jobs. For example, the robot could transport goods, serve in restaurants, or even work as a bartender. Tesla has already tested them at the Tesla Diner, demonstrating that the robots are capable of generating real economic value. In other words, if a robot is purchased for around $50,000, it could pay for itself within 2 to 3 years. Musk also believes that Optimus could eradicate poverty and bring quality healthcare to everyone. For him, this is the ultimate goal of technology, not just making money, but genuinely improving quality of life. Elon also emphasizes that the core components needed to build Optimus have existed within Tesla for years. He often says that Tesla cars are essentially robots, just ones that roll on 4 wheels. For example, the fully autonomous and self-driving cybercab robotaxi is fundamentally a robot as well, just in the form of a car. Honestly, there's nothing on this planet smarter than humans. No technology can truly replace or control us. Yet Elon Musk is still investing billions of dollars into the Tesla bot project because he believes the company can build a robot with a brain, hands, and feet that functions almost like a human. When you hear this, the image of the Terminator might come to mind, but try looking at it from a different perspective. What if we had a humanoid robot that genuinely helps people? A personal assistant that can bring you a cold beer, make breakfast, and clean the house without you lifting a finger? Who wouldn't want such a helpful companion when they turn 60? And that's the vision Tesla Bot Gen 3 promises to start bringing to life next year. Have you ever wondered why Elon Musk didn't design Optimus with full human-like senses or a human face? The simple reason? The more a robot resembles a human, the more it can make people feel uneasy, or even creeped out. For example, the Chinese company Aheadform released the Orin M1, a humanoid robot that can blink, nod, and mimic facial expressions with extreme accuracy. Looking at it can genuinely be scary. That's why Musk chose to keep the Tesla bot's head smooth and sleek, adorned only with a strip of LED lights. It makes perfect sense. At least your child won't freak out when they see it at home. Optimus is currently at version 2.5, capable of moving autonomously, navigating office spaces, self-charging, and performing basic tasks. According to Musk, the next generation, Optimus 3, will be a major leap forward. He revealed that this robot will look so realistic that it will appear like a person wearing a robot suit, and confirmed it will launch in the first quarter of next year. Tesla shows no signs of slowing down. Musk stated that the company plans to update Optimus annually, much like how smartphone manufacturers release new versions. Optimus 4 is expected in 2027, while version 5 is already scheduled for 2028. Optimus's capabilities are equally impressive. The robot doesn't just follow programmed instructions for cooking, but can understand and execute each step with flexibility. It can open the fridge, select ingredients, chop meat, stir in a pan, and plate the finished dish. Of course, the biggest concern surrounding robots is that they might take human jobs. However, history shows that such fears are often overstated. When ATMs were first introduced, many worried that countless bank employees would lose their jobs. In reality, the number of branches and staff actually increased due to lower operating costs. A similar scenario could unfold with Optimus. Rather than eliminating employment, robots could foster a new ecosystem of professions, including robot training, maintenance, supervision, AI programming, and human-machine interface design. People would gradually shift away from physically demanding and hazardous work toward roles that require creativity, emotional intelligence, and social skills. Areas that machines still cannot fully replicate. This marks a transition from a labor-intensive economy to a knowledge-based economy. Healthcare is another area with transformative potential. With rapidly aging populations, by 2050, over 16% of the global population is expected to be over 65. The world is projected to face a severe shortage of medical personnel. Optimus could become an indispensable solution. Delivering medication, assisting patient mobility, monitoring vital signs, and even detecting early warning indicators using AI. Robots do not tire, are unaffected by emotions, and can work continuously through long shifts. While legal and ethical challenges remain, the potential of humanoid robots in addressing one of the 21st century's most pressing issues cannot be ignored. In recent years, the pace of AI development has far exceeded expectations, driving rapid advancements in humanoid robotics. Today's robots are no longer limited to performing basic tasks. They can learn, interact, and make decisions based on data from their surroundings. The combination of powerful AI and advanced robotics technology allows these machines to operate with flexibility, sophistication, and human-like interaction, ranging from industrial applications and healthcare support to everyday household tasks. The benefits of humanoid robots are undeniable. They can take on dangerous work, enhance labor productivity, assist the elderly and disabled, and even participate in disaster relief and research operations. Tesla Optimus has the potential to be a revolutionary product, not just technologically, but in how people live and work. By automating repetitive and hazardous tasks, Optimus can reduce reliance on manual labor while boosting productivity and cutting costs. Powered by advanced AI, it can handle a wide range of responsibilities, from elder care to industrial support, fundamentally changing the way people interact with their jobs and daily lives. That said, the rise of Tesla Optimus also presents challenges for employment. Many existing roles, particularly in manufacturing, healthcare, and warehouse operations, could be replaced by robots, raising concerns about job displacement for workers who may struggle to adapt to new technologies. Yet Optimus also opens new opportunities. It will drive demand for careers in robotics research, development, and maintenance, as well as creative fields where humans can fully leverage cognitive and emotional skills. So given Optimus Gen 5 potential to take over dangerous or repetitive tasks, would you be willing to let a robot handle those duties, even if it changes your current job? Please share your opinion in the comments section below this video. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe now so you don't miss the next breaking Tesla update. It's coming in just 2 days. If you want to explore more exciting information about Tesla EV or Tesla Bot, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. Also, make sure to turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Goodbye.